Hello guys, in this video we'll read analog value of a potentiometer and we have MSPM0 as our microcontroller. So let's get started. First we'll take a on interval node. We'll specify interval of in seconds. I'm specifying here as 3. To read analog value we'll take a analog read node which also performs ADC. In the analog read node properties, we'll configure our node. We'll select our ADC pin as PA25, clock frequency range, select reference voltage and enable VREF. In the advanced, we'll select our clock, select our sample clock division ratio, we'll select memory conversion index, sample source. We can also enable average mode, burnout source, trigger mode, window comparator mode, power down mode, VREF clock source, VREF clock division ratio, VREF buffer config. We'll also select our VREF SH mode, VREF hold mode, value for VREF sample and hold we'll select, and in the sample times cycle we'll enter 500. Done. Let's take a display node to print the analog value in serial display. Connect the flow. In the text, in the inverted commas, analog value, digital value, add, save the flow, verify the flow, and we are good to upload it. Let's go to a serial display, clear output, select port. As you can see, we are getting digital value. Let's change the resistance of our potentiometer and that value will change.